Hello, everybody. I'm Kaylee Baldwin, a certified special education teacher and instructional technology facilitator, and I'm so excited to connect with you at InnovateEDU in Cape Town. This will be my first time in South Africa, and I can't wait. My background is in supporting diverse learners, and everything I do is grounded in real classroom experience, what really works for teachers and students. I love learning with educators, and I look forward to collaborating, creating, and sharing ideas with you in these workshops. I am presenting 3 workshops at InnovateEDU. The first workshop I am looking forward to sharing is Practical Accessibility Tools for Every Classroom. This workshop is designed for general education teachers, special education teachers, and teacher coaches of any grade level who want practical ways to support all learners by using the tools they already have. In this hands-on workshop, we'll explore built-in accessibility features in the Chrome browser, experience Microsoft's Immersive Reader, and use Canva Education's Accessibility Checker to create materials for every student. You'll also experience these tools from a student's point of view for a full understanding of their impact on learning. Now, if you're looking for a way to boost engagement, collaboration, and student voice, my next workshop, Unleash Creativity and Collaboration with FigJam, is for you. This workshop is perfect for secondary classroom teachers and educators looking to increase student engagement and collaboration across any content area. We'll dive into FigJam, an interactive online whiteboard that allows every student to contribute in real time. You'll explore sticky notes, voting tools, shapes, and connectors while actively building mind maps, timelines, or flowcharts based on your own classroom content. This workshop is all about moving beyond static slides and creating a shared digital space where student thinking is visible. Lastly, my workshop, Canva and Affinity, Designing the Future of Learning, is all about leveling up visual creativity. It is designed for educators and administrators who want to showcase professional-style visuals and introduce students to real-world creative tools. We'll spend time exploring Canva Education and creating a polished educational resource. Then, we will investigate the powerful Affinity tools now available to educators for free through Canva Education. You'll get hands-on experience with professional-level tools while thinking about how students can use these skills for authentic projects like publications, presentations, and creative portfolios. I hope you'll join me at InnovateEDU. I am so excited to meet you, to learn with you, and to collaborate with incredible educators who are passionate about innovation and inclusion. I can't wait to see what we create together.